Parents always ask me why their child's GCSE maths tutor isn't making a difference. Even after months of weekly sessions, the answer that surprises most people is because it has nothing to do with how smart the tutor is. Most tutors are brilliant at maths themselves, but this doesn't automatically mean they're brilliant at teaching it to teenagers who learn differently. They assume that if they just explain the content clearly enough, students will get it, but that's not how learning actually works in practice. Every student has a different learning style, so some are visual learners who need diagrams and color coding. Others are logical thinkers who need to understand the why before the how makes any sense. When a tutor only teaches one method and your child doesn't connect with it, they leave each session more confused and frustrated than before, which destroys their confidence over time. What students actually need is someone who teaches multiple approaches to the same problem so that they can choose what works for their brain and feel in control of their learning. Another major issue is that tutors focus almost entirely on content knowledge without teaching the exam strategy, which means your child might know how to solve simultaneous equations in isolation, but when it appears in a worded problem or combined with another topic, they completely freeze. I worked with a student named Zain who was stuck at grade 7 for months because he kept making the same careless algebra errors. And it turned out he knew the content perfectly, but had no system for tackling multi-step problems. Once we addressed his approach to breaking down complex questions, he jumped to a grade 9 in just 5 months. And he's now studying A-levels confidently at 6th form. Message me the word unlock to book your spot for a free strategy session with no strings attached. We'll map out exactly what's missing in your child's preparation and how to fix it before it's too late.